Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use to WhatsApp with different mobile numbers on iPhone. So if you want to use the different WhatsApp accounts on your one iPhone with different numbers, so how you can do that as you do in the Android. So if you want to use multiple accounts on your WhatsApp on iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. You have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply check whether you have installed the latest version of the WhatsApp or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the WhatsApp. And after updating the WhatsApp, you have to simply go back. Now after going back, you have to make sure that you have also installed the latest iOS update on your iPhone iOS. So here you have to make sure about that you have installed the latest iOS on your iPhone. And after checking for the latest update, you can now move forward to the WhatsApp. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the WhatsApp here, and in WhatsApp, you have to go to settings. In settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of the accounts. So in accounts, you will find many options. So first option is a security notification, and also there is option of a change of phone number and delete account number. But if you want to see any option related to the switch account or add a new account or any option like that, you will not find. But there is option that you can simply change your phone number. So you have to simply click on that, and if you want to use multiple account, then you can simply, the only option that you can simply change your phone number, and after some days you can also use another number. And in this way you can simply use two numbers on one WhatsApp, but there is no option available in the iPhone that you can simply switch your account and you can simply use multiple accounts. So in future, maybe there are option available that you can simply choose multiple accounts on WhatsApp, but there is no still option available. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.